So you never.
What? Oh no, let's put that back in the box. Now where does that other piece of RAM go?
Here.
All right, where does it go?
Oh man. Here.
All right.
This is right, yeah. To put it in here.
Yes, ma'am.
With nobody.
But I don't have any idea how we know. Is it because it? What's the I word?
Let's holding it wrong. Let's holding the CPU wrong.
You know what? What's the component she's holding over there?
Of the RAM. The RAM.
All right. You know what?
She's holding it wrong.
Well, that's a good point. But she was learning, and we all learn, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to put it in, but Mr. Scott, I really need help. Yep, I made it.
You sure these are the screws?
You know what? I might have made a mistake and not given you. That's outstanding work. I might have made a mistake. Where's that other CPU go? And not giving you the 4 right screws.
Cube.
You know whose fault that was?
You.
Holy cow! I didn't see it. You putting the what component was that called?
Are you gonna take a
I
picture?
see you. You know, you're just not saying. What was that component called again?
Hey
Okay.
Scott, does it go in the
Are
rubber
you
area
gonna?
or
Will you
the-
put you back in for me, please?
Does it
Do this one.
Does it go in
Yes.
the rubber or the?
Oh, perfect. No, just like you got it.
That's right. I was so.
Except, think about where the front of that. What's the component called?
You did it wrong. The component is called.
Oh yeah.
Why? Because where is it going to interface with the rest of the computer?
It's gonna go in this way.
Yeah.
They said the components and you did it.
You did that last time, and you know what?
Okay, got
You
it.
do it again, because we all do.
Come to the learning center.
All right.
Okay, I'm done.
Now, what's that big metal thing called that you're holding?
CPU.
No.
Mr. Scott. The screw inside this thing.
What's that big metal component? Heat what?
Heat air.
Heat what?
Heat
What
air.
do you wash your hands in?
Heat washer. Mr. Scott.
What do you wash your hands?
Heat water.
I think that I've given you. Let's figure it out. Hold on.
Because the thing is so small, I was trying to see if it
Heat sink.
Yeah.
Who said it? Well, good job.
Mr.
All right, hang